Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Halo Mini Immobiliser on a 2019 Mercedes Sprinter. So a thief does the relay attack on this key, tries to steal the vehicle, it's not going to start up. As you can see, the ignition comes on, but the vehicle's not going to start. So for the customer, they're going to have to go through a push sequence. So what they'll do is tap the ignition till all their lights come on, then go through a push sequence of their choosing. On completion, you see the side lights flash, and we can now start the vehicle. There you go, it's running. With this system, it stays disarmed until they open the door and exit the vehicle. So if we just open the door, you'll watch the side lights flash. 2 flashes, and it's protected. So now when they get in the vehicle with their key, try and start it. It's not going to start up, it's looking for the code. If they want to take it for a service, the way they do that is ignition on, pop their code in, and on the last press, they'll press and hold for 15 seconds. And then we'll get 5 flashes from the side lights. So we'll just keep it held for now. Now it's flashing, we'll let go. We've got 5 flashes, and now it's in service mode. So when it goes back to Mercedes, all they need is the key. It's a normal van, it's going to start up straight away, no need for a code. The system's completely off until you turn it back on. The way you turn it back on is ignition on without starting, put your code in, and just like before, press and hold for 15 seconds. This time you'll only get 1 flash. So we're just keeping it held. There's our flash, and the system's back on. So now when we open the door, we're going to get our 2 flashes to confirm that it's armed, and next time we get in it, just like before, you're not going to be able to start it. This is the Halo Mini Immobiliser. Uses a push sequence that the customer can set and can be put in service mode until you take it out. To get one installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a 2019 Sprinter with a Halo Mini. Thanks for watching.